I am sitting in a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to be adding an additional remote key. Existing key is turned on. New key is right there. Go to Toyota, Tacoma, key coding, 17. I'm going to do the remote first. Remote control 1. Ignition is on. Program remote. Press lock and unlock for 1 second. Then unlock. I heard the beep. It is programmed. Procedure is complete. I'm going to back out. Go to mobilizer 3 for the chip. Ignition's on. Program key. Yes. Remove key. Key back. Turn on. Enter. Remove key. New key. Insert only. Press OK. From this point, we just have to wait on the security to program. Our security indicator is right above the AC controls. You can see it blinking here. Okay, we're getting to the end of the programming sequence. Let's wait for that light to go out. Light is out. Programming complete. At this point, we are done. Unplug the machine. Take your key out. Try the remote. Locks, unlocks. Here's your key. I'm going to insert it. The security light should be out. It is out. Car is on. Vehicle runs. All done.